Soon our paths crossed and grand gestures of friendship were exchanged. At the same instant, a wave of well-being flowed through me lasting several seconds. It was the same sensation Latoli had produced, and I recognized it as a sign of greeting from these flying people. How do they do that? Is it levitation? No, they have a Tara 1 on their waists and a Lishalak 2 in their hands. These produce certain vibrations that neutralize the cold magnetic force of the planet, allowing neutralization of the gravitational force. Even a weight of millions of tons compares with that of feathers. Then, by other vibrations resembling those of ultrasound, they can steer themselves precisely to wherever they choose, as they are doing now. On this planet, everyone wanting to travel some distance uses this method. Then why are we using this vehicle? I asked, for I would have loved to experiment with such equipment, which, by the way, was absolutely noiseless. Michel, you are impatient. I have brought you by this means because you are not capable of flying with a Lishalak. Without practice, you could hurt yourself. Later, perhaps, if there is time, I will teach you how to use it. Look, we are nearly there. Indeed, we were fast approaching an island and could clearly see a golden beach where several people basked in the sun. Almost immediately, we were flying beneath palm fronds along a wide path, bordered with 2 rows of flowering and very fragrant bushes. The area was alive with the sound and color of insects, butterflies and birds. The vehicle proceeded slowly at ground level and, after a final bend in the path, we arrived before a little egg, nestled among small trees and flowering vines. It seemed that every building on this planet had the shape of an egg, most often lying on their sides but occasionally upright, as I have said, with the pointed end upwards. The shells were of white in color and had no windows or doors. This particular egg lay on its side, apparently half buried in the ground. It was about 30 meters long and 20 meters in diameter, quite small in comparison with those I'd seen so far. Thiaou stopped the vehicle in front of a bright light centered on the wall of the egg. Leaving the platform, we entered the habitation. As we did so, I felt a light pressure, with no more force than the weight of an eiderdown. I remembered experiencing the same sensation earlier when we passed through the wall of the space center. Having neither doors nor windows on these buildings is extraordinary in itself, but once inside, it was stranger still. As I have mentioned before, the overall impression was of still being outside. 1. The Tara is an apparatus worn like a belt when you wish to fly. Author's comment. 2. The Lishalak works in concert with the Tara to fly, but is held in the hand.